Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be practicing a couple of 3D flowers. It's not the best because I know I get some comments where people just believe that I'm like showing this front or fronting like I'm a nail tech and all this stuff. I'm not doing that. I am literally practicing, hence what the title will be called. But anyway, for all of you that have been following me on my journey, my nail journey, I just want to thank you all so much for your kind words, your constructive criticism, and just being a great follower. So anyway, I am doing three different colors, three different base colors, one with white, one with purple, and then the other with a brown. The white is from AB Gel. It's I'll leave the link for in the description from Amazon. The purple one is Gelin, I'm pretty sure, and then the brown one that I'm going to do is from Valentino Beauty Pure's Fall Collection Gel Polish. All right, so I'm just doing I'm putting a couple stones here. This stone glue is from Trendy Nails. It's a great Instagram store, wonderful products. Like literally I've been using it for a really long time now. Not a long time actually, maybe most of 2020 I would say. But I like Trendy Nails. It definitely comes through, it ships fast, everything's perfect. I'll leave that description in the link below too. I'll leave that link in the description below too. Gosh, what is going on with my words? So anyway, yeah, I'm putting some stones on the white one too. Is that my stomach growling? I'm hungry. All right, yeah, I'm putting some stones on the white one too. Guys, get yourself a wax pen. It's so much easier for those of you who don't use wax pens. I don't understand how. Years before, I've been using like a tweezer thing, and I'm like, I can't believe I'm just now getting a wax pen this year. The beginning of this year is when I first got my first wax pen. It's crazy. Anyway, stones from Amazon, cheap little stones, nothing fancy. So I wanted to practice 3D flowers. I don't know why, I just woke up and I was like, let's practice some 3D flowers. That would be cool. And I never really did different colors either. So guys, you know with 3D art, you want to put a little bit of acetone in the, what is it called, in the monomer so that it can cure a lot faster. And then use a smaller brush to really get into detail and get a small bead. So as you can see, I'm literally messing up, like literally it looks terrible, but it comes along at the end. It gets better, I promise. All right, yeah, so I don't know. So you kind of want to make it pointy a little bit, but I like these flowers. Like, who doesn't love 3D flowers? And guys, this is a great skill to learn because when you do start to take clients, you can upcharge. When you do start to take clients, you can upcharge a lot more if you're doing like 3D art or anything. This blue is from Valentino Beauty Pure's collection. Like I said in many other videos, I have their full acrylic collection. So I'm not going to be talking all throughout the video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what this video is about and what I'm going to be doing and what I'm practicing today. starting with the purple one, I am going to be using the kind of lavender acrylic powder from Valentino Beauty Pure. I was like, as you can see the different beads on my towel, I was like trying different colors, seeing which one was good, which one would like be really nice on top of this color, but I tried to figure it out, but I like this one. So this wasn't my favorite. The outcome of this wasn't my favorite because they were a lot longer. I couldn't really keep control of the flower at that point, of the petal. But, you know, like, if you understand what I'm saying, it was like, I don't know, it just wasn't working. But I like the outcome anyway, so. Okay guys, for this one I'm kind of doing leaves. I didn't know where I was going with this, but after I found the green, I was going to do like the autumn leaves, but I was having a hard time. So I edited that part out of the video and just went with the green ones. I mean, in some places leaves are still green, so maybe it goes. But I like the shimmer that it has. I couldn't really find an all green with no shimmer in Valentino Beauty Pure's, and I hate saying that long name, but in their acrylic powders, I couldn't find a shimmerless acrylic powder that was this color. So I went with this. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling a lot, so I put another bead on this. I can't believe this took me so long. I don't know why. It's because I was like thinning it out too much. But putting another bead on it, you know, helped it, and then I flattened it some more, covering it up, and then I got started on the next one. I don't do the lines until later. The lines to really make it look like a leaf. made this a little bit more fancy by adding like a vine or something, or, you know, with some gel polish. But my whole goal for this video was to really practice 3D art. And that's what I did. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I hope to see you in the next video. By the way, for anybody who hasn't practiced or anybody who has practiced 3D art, please let me know how it works out for you guys in the comments below. All right? Thank you so much. Bye.